In this video, I want to talk about adding integers, only adding integers using algebra tiles. Now these are algebra tiles. This, say, let's define this red tile as -1 and this as +1 or +1. Okay, so before we add, let us understand that if you have -1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. That means if you take a negative tile, so this is a negative tile, and if you add these together, so this, what I mean is, this is -1 plus 1, this is -1 plus +1 is equal to 0. This is one idea that you have to understand. So these two cancel each other out. So if you have one lot of this, one red tile and one green tile, they cancel each other out and you get 0. So let's start with a very simple example. So what's +2 plus 5? Okay, so you have 2 +2 plus +5. So this is same as asking what is 2 plus 5. So you don't need any tiles to understand what is 2 plus 5. So generally, when you don't write any sign, this is +2 is understood as +2, and +5 is understood as 5. So this is 2 plus 5, which is 7. So if you want to use that algebra tile, so you're asking, this is 2 tiles, this is +2 means +2 green tile, and then you add 5 more green tiles, 3, 4, 5. So this is what it means. So this is +2. Okay, and this is a big plus sign. +2 plus 5. You got how many green tiles? So this is +7, or you write simply 7. Okay, so let me cancel this whole thing and delete. Okay, so now let me ask the next question. What is -2? If we have -2 plus -5, and this is where things get confusing. How do you add -2 and -5? So the idea is the same. You have, there are two lots of, this is -2, this is -2 plus -5. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what, in a visual way, you understand what is -2 plus -5. Well, you got 7 lots, you got 7 red tiles, so answer is -7, and that's your answer. Okay, so let's move on. So let me delete this. Okay, so the next question is, what is +2 plus -5? So +2 means you're selecting 2 green tile. This is 2 green tiles. This is +2, and you want to add how many? You got -5, so you have to have 5. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have a visual understanding, so this is +2, this is +2 green tile plus -5. So well, what's the answer? So this and this cancels each other out. So this is 0 and this is 0. So this is 0, and these two cancel each other out. That is 0. So what is remaining? You got 3 red tiles. That means your answer is -3. Okay, so +2 plus plus 2 plus negative 5 is same as, if you want to do it faster, this is asking what is 2 take away 5. From 2, it's visually not easy to understand what is 2 take away 5. Okay, so 2 take away 5 is same as asking what is 2 plus 2 plus negative 5, which is negative 3. Okay, so let me cancel this. Okay, the next question, what is negative 2? What is negative 2 plus 5? So negative 2 means you need how many tiles of which color? So well, it's negative 2. You have to have 2 red tiles, sorry. You need 2 red tiles, and plus you're adding 5 green tiles. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is your negative 2. You're adding negative 2 to positive 5. So this is your positive 5. So what's happening? So this and this cancels out. So this is 0. This and this cancels each other out. So you've got 3 green tiles. That means your answer is positive 3 or only 3. So if you don't want to do the green tiles way, so well, this is same as asking what is negative 2 plus 5, which is plus 3.